Hey, what's up? Brent for Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today it's going to be a quick one. We're going to watch a Dyno pull on this 03 Cobra. Did a couple small mods. We are going to go out and take a look. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notify, stay up to date. As always, Doug's with me. Let's go check it out. All right, I got to tell you, this is one clean car. Only has 10,000 miles. Doug, come down here, take a look. Obviously going to have a clean engine compartment. All we installed was a 2.8 supercharger pulley, auxiliary idler, JLT air induction system, and of course, set of fresh, colder, gap down spark plugs, and then of course, a custom tune. Simple mods in a car like this that had a lot of power, a lot of torque. Check out this dyno pull. All right, now I know this isn't a lot of power in today's world, but back then, it was an easy way. Buy one of these cars, do a pulley, cold air tune, pick up some good gains. Doug, check it out. Dynojet SAE, smoothing 5, 456 raw horsepower, peaking at 6,000 RPM. Torque coming in awesome, 492, peak at 3,000 RPM. One of the coolest things about these cars back in the day was just the sound of the supercharger. You know, people still call today, when they're gonna buy a blower, do you have any that sounds like a Terminator? Do you have any that sounds like a Lightning? Well, pretty much they really don't anymore, but there you have it. 2003 Cobra, 10,000 miles. Leave a comment, happy to answer. Written in Indiana. What's cost to get car modded? Email quote@brenspeed.com. Thanks for watching.